Here I have Xiaomi 15T, 15T Pro, and let me show you how to enter safe mode on the following device. Let's begin. So if you would like to enter safe mode, let's start by holding the power key and volume up together. Let's use here reboot option, so let's swipe down. Prepare yourself to start holding volume down, but let's start holding volume down after phone vibrates. Not now, let's wait for vibration. Alright, it's now. Let's start holding volume down. Keep holding volume down. You can release volume down when the Xiaomi HyperOS logo pops up. And that's it. As you can see, you are in a safe mode. So this is like a diagnostic mode. You can check out how your device works without installed apps. So if some apps occur some problems, you can check out in this mode how your device reacts, how your device works without those apps. If you would like to quit this mode, let's simply start holding power key and volume up together and choose reboot. Let's just wait until the phone boots into a normal mode, so you can leave it like that. And that's it. Now you can use your phone in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.